Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Here is the quick simple review of the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Powerfully smart, beautifully built, the redesigned 8.7-inch smart display features a vibrant HD touchscreen with 15%. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Your everyday assistant, see recipes and calendars at a glance, easily find meal inspo and manage your shopping. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Crystal clear video calls. Video calls feel natural with a centered, auto-framing camera, 3.3x zoom, and noise. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.